Welcome to Oxbridge Montessori's digital learning platform.
Today we are going to solve the exercise of grade 1 unit 3 the plant world, and your book page number 23. You have to write the answers in your notebooks. Number 1 is, what type of plant has a thick trunk? So did you remember that which type of plant has a thick trunk? It's tree. You can also see the picture on your screen. And here you can see very tall trees with a very thick trunk. So it is the type of plant with very thick trunk. These are trees. Number 2. What type of plant grows on water? So what type of plant? It's algae. Algae grows on water. You can see this greenish, grayish type algae that is growing on water, and you can also observe it at your homes where some water is always spilling out, and the algae will grow there. So you can also observe it at your homes or any place where water is always spilling out. Okay, so algae is the plant which grow on water. Number 3 is, what type of a plant does not grow very tall? So what will be it? It will be shrub. A shrub always stays short. Okay, these are very short, small plants, and these are called shrubs. So you have to remember it that thick trunk, having thick trunk and very large plants are tree. The plant that grows on water are algae, and the plant that does not grow very tall are shrub. Complete the following sentences of your book page number 25. Number 1 is, seeds are made in dash. So where do seed made? They made in flower. Number 2 is, food for the plant is made in the dash. So where do food is made? Food is made in leaves because leaves are the food factory of a plant. So seeds are made in flower and food is made in leaves. Remember it. Number 3 is, the dash acts like the skeleton of the human body. So which will act like a skeleton in plants? It is stem. Stem will always giving support to the plant, and it just act like a skeleton in the human body, as in the human body. Number 4 is, list 3 ways we use plants. So we use plants in many different ways, such as for making furniture, for making pages of your notebooks and your books, for eating, and also for many purposes, such as for clothes, for medicines, for homes. Okay, so there are many uses of plants. So here is a your workbook page number 12, and you have to done it on your own. And there you have to draw some plants. A plant with a weak stem. Okay, a plant with a weak stem. A tree with long, very long and thick trunk, and a bush which is very short, and a flowering plant, a plant with very beautiful colorful flowers. So this is the activity, and you have to do it on your own. Part of the plant, label the parts of the plant using the words below. You have to label the part of plant, and you can see in the screen, on the screen, that this part of the plant is known as flower. Now this part of the plant is also known as the food factory. So what will be it? It is leaf. Now this one which supports the plant, so this is the part known as stem. In the end, here are some tiny structures which are anchoring the plant and absorbing water and minerals. These are roots. So, we have labeled it. The first part is flower, the second one is leaf, and third one is stem. In the end, there are roots. So, number 2 is match each part of the plant with its function. Here is leaf, flower, stem, root. Part that makes seed, part that takes water from the ground, part that makes food, and part that supports plant. So I have also mentioned it. Can you tell me that what is the function of a leaf? Hmm? So the function of leaf is to make food. Leaf part that makes food. So what is the function of a flower? Flower take part in making seeds. Part that makes seeds. Flower is the part that makes seeds. Now stem. Stem is the part that supports a plant, just like a skeleton in our bodies. And root is the part that takes water from the ground. So label this matching in your workbooks. Okay, now this is your workbook page number 14, and here are some uses of plants. Plant help us in many ways. Join each sentence below to a suitable picture on the right to show what each person needs. There can be more than one use for some items. Okay, here are 4 items: logs, cotton plant, wheat bag, a shady tree. And here are some persons who want something. So we have to tell that from where they can get their things. So Anna is hungry. So what should Anna take because she's hungry? Logs? No. Cotton plant? No. A wheat bag? Yes, Anna is hungry and she wants a wheat bag. Now Nadir wants to light a fire. So what does he want? A shady tree? No. A wheat bag? No. Cotton plant? No. So he wants logs to light a fire. Now Alina is very tired and wants to rest. She wants shade from sun because it's very hot and she wants some shade. So a shady tree will help her. So the rest of the 4 you have to do at your own on your workbooks. Do them correctly by reading it carefully. That Hamza wants to build a cabin. What does he will take? The fisherman wants to build a boat. Sana wants to separate a comfortable sheet on her bed. So here are the right answers and you have to solve them on your own. Now here is the activity time and you have to try this on your homes, at your homes, and you have to make an egg head, put some soil in eggshell, plant monk seeds, draw funny faces on the shells, place the egg heads in a sunny window, give them a little water every day, watch the eggs grow green here. So you have to take an eggshell, and then you have to sow some seeds in soil which you have already put in your eggshells, and then you have to put them in a sunny window or where the sunlight can easily approach. Remember that you have to give them water every day, and after a few days you can see their green heads are growing, their green hairs, and take their pictures and send to us. So thank you for watching our video.